Hey guys, this is Viren here. Welcome back to my channel, How to Tips and Tricks. And here's yet another how to. This time we will see how to make your Windows 10 computer or laptop a Wi-Fi hotspot, and then use the internet connection from it. So yeah, like you see it, please follow the instructions first. Do not hurry up. Believe me, I was trying to do this for quite some time, and then I made some silly mistakes, and I wasted quite an amount of time. But yeah, it was it was a bit of learning, and I will share that with you as well. All right. So the whole idea here is, I got a new high-speed connection. It's a wired connection, and I'm using it for my personal laptop. But since I don't have a router or a Wi-Fi modem, I wanted to make my personal laptop a Wi-Fi hotspot so that I can use the same internet for my company laptop as well, to carry out my office work. So, all right, this is how you do it. It's quite simple, but yeah, once again, follow the instructions properly because you might end up doing some mistakes. So you first need to see whether your Windows 10 laptop or computer is capable of hosting a Wi-Fi hotspot. So for that, you need to bring up the command prompt. So I'm going to do it CMD and right click and run it as administrator. Now this is important. You have to run it as an administrator. I already have this command prompt here up. We just need a couple of commands and we should be good to go. All right, so very first thing is I need to check whether my laptop is capable of hosting the Wi-Fi hotspot. So I'm going to do netsh wlan show drivers. Okay, so if you see here, this portion where it says hosted network supported, yes. So yes, my laptop is all set to host a network. And now the next command is to actually set up the username and password for this Wi-Fi that we will start. So we will say netsh, where we will start wlan set hosted network, that will be one ID. We will say mode is equal to allow. Now in some Windows 10 OS, I'm not sure, or maybe it's laptop, I've seen instead of a equal to, it's a hyphen. All right, so next would be your SSID. So this will be the username. I'm gonna keep my username as Viren, and key will be your password. So I'm gonna keep my password as summer69. So these are the credentials, username Viren and summer69, which will be used to access the internet via Wi-Fi through this laptop. Now remember that this is a temp connection. If you restart your laptop, these credentials will be gone. So what you need to do is you need to say key usage is equal to persistent, so that these credentials remain on this laptop. So whenever you get an internet connection and you start this Wi-Fi on it, the other laptops, computers, or the mobile devices, they will discover it, and they will still be able to use the same username and password. All right. So I'm not going to set this because I have already done this. If you want, how to check whether these details are there, I'm going to say netsh wlan show hosted network. So if you see here, my network is already set here. Mode is allowed. My SSID name is there. It's not showing the password here. Now, anyways, now once you have run this command, which is to set up the, what was that command? Okay, I'm going to show you once again. Sh wlan set hosted, one word, mode is equal to allow, SSID is equal to your username, which is Viren, key you can be your password, which will be summer69. And then, like I said, to keep it permanent, we'll make it message is equal to persistent. Once again, this was just to show you the command. I've already set this up. Once this is done, you should see a message something like there. You see, you should see such a message. The hosted network mode has been set to allow. The SSID of the hosted network has been set successfully. The user key passphrase of the hosted network has been successfully changed. All right, now there are a few things more to be done. We need to activate this. Once this once the username and password is set, you need to activate with the netsh wlan start hosted. Now, once again, to stop, I'm sure you would have thought about it. To stop it is net shwlan stop hosted network. Now, once you start this, you should get a message something like this. The hosted network has started. All right. Okay. So once all this is done, now here are the key important points. You now need to go to your network network connections and make some changes there as well. So I'm going to go to my network connections. Okay, you can go network connections like this, or some people what they do is NCPA or CPL. It doesn't matter. You can go through control panel. It's one and the same thing. All right. Now here I want to show you. This is my Wi-Fi. This is not the Wi-Fi that we're talking about. This is if I want to get into the internet via Wi-Fi through something else. Okay. So this is the connection I am on right now. This is my wired connection. And it doesn't show anything here, but this is what it is active. And if you see here, local area connection tool with this username Viren, that is what I've created here, a virtual hotspot. Okay, this is still active because I am accessing it is showing as active because I'm accessing internet on my company laptop through this. Anyways, but this is not where we make the change. We make the change here on your active connection. In my case, it is my wired connection. In case somebody's primary connection is Wi-Fi, he should be doing it on the primary connection. So I'm going to do a right click, go to properties, and then go to sharing. Check this box which says allow the other network users to connect through this. And here in the drop down, we should be selecting the connection that we have created, the virtual hotspot. In this case, I have created local area connection 2, which is with this name. You might either see the username itself, or you might see it something like this. But you should be very careful. Here is the hotspot that we have created, that is local area connection 2 in my case. Select that and just say okay. If you want, you can check this, allow other network users. Yeah, I've not done this. I will not allow them to do this, and just say okay. That's it. Now in your devices, you should be seeing this username Viren when you turn on the Wi-Fi. I mean, in your case, the username might be something else, and then use the same password. Now, this happened to me. What if you forget the password that you created here? And later on, in a day or two, how will you know what is the password? And this happened to me. So what you need to do is netsh wlan show okay, show security setting. Is it correct? Okay, I have saved that command. There you go. That's the command. NetSHWLAN show hosted network setting security. So you will be able to see what was your password. I mean, I have taken it off for obvious reasons. So this is how you can check your, if you want, I can run this once. WLAN show security setting. Okay, I'm not going to show my password. Okay, I also ran into some issues. I'm going to share that um, uh, share that screenshot. After setting up everything, I was getting this that the hosted network couldn't be started. The group or the resource is not in the correct state. So what I did was I went to device manager. Now this is my hosted network virtual adapter that we created. I saw that there was a small black arrow mark. So basically, this was not functioning properly. So I did a right click and since I have an enable option, obviously it is disabled. So I enabled it and that's it. I was all set. So once again, these are pretty, two, three simple commands to, make your laptop a Wi-Fi hotspot. Um, but if you have any issues, or if you come across any issues, please put your comments, and I shall help you on that. All right, guys. Thank you.